OpenFace, a state-of-the-art tool intended for facial landmark detection, head pose estimation, facial action unit recognition, and eye gaze estimation. Basically, the best open source tool for finding out how people are expressing themselves through face. In this video, I will explain you how to install on your laptop OpenFace from Tadas Baltrusaitis website. You can find the link in the video description. So first of all, go to the wiki of the project and go back to the installation part. You can find here the installation for Windows. That's what we will look at today. And here you can install the Windows binaries. So if you have a 32-bit laptop, please use the 32-bit version. If you have a 64-bit version, please use the 64-bit version. So you can install binaries from here. You will just need to click and you will install in a directory that you like. Once the installation is complete, you will have a zip folder on your laptop. Please unzip the folder, extract all the files in a folder you like on your laptop. And once you've done that, there's actually one last little thing you'll need to do. So you'll need to look for this file called downloadmodels.ps1. This file includes a PowerShell script for downloading some files that needs to be added into this directory. So click with the right mouse click on this file and run it with PowerShell. Now, in most cases, this works fine. However, some people might have some error with PowerShell, mostly related to some permission you might have with your laptop of downloading things. In the case you run into any problem, please go on the back to the installation page that you were at before and click on this part, this link to the model download. Here you can manually download the models through the Dropbox share folder or from the OneDrive or from the Google Drive. So there are plenty of options for you to find the best way for manually downloading the files. In that case, you will actually need to save them into the right folder. And this folder is in the model folder and it's called Patch Experts.